everybody out there in YouTube wasteland. It's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. Today, Blitz and I are going into China Lake via the Flagstaff Mountain Ridge Trail. We decided to do this since we started the season at China Creek. Why not possibly end it at China Lake? Go to the headwaters. It kind of makes sense, right? The first snow of the year. Blitz and I just took a little water break, got a little bit of grub in our tum-tum, and it looks like there's a storm possibly rolling in. I just got hit by a few sprinkles of rain, and we got 1.89 miles left yet to go. Just taking our time, filming, just the views. The views up here are just mind-blowing, amazing. The Purcell Mountains do not disappoint. So basically we got to go up here and over to that ridge over there. Whew. And then we cut down and that should be China Lake. Earning our calories tonight for sure. Yeah, and I got some grub, some good grub to eat when we get our fire going. After 8 hours of hiking, we finally made it into China Lake. I can say you don't come for the lake. I think you come more for the views, kind of the journey along the way. I am famished and I am tired. It's time to get camp set up, make a fire ring, get a fire going. And I actually have service here, so I think I can watch football tonight. Oh, fuck, my shoulder. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Second try with an injured shoulder. Ding dong.
Ding dong, sing along, ding dong, sing along, ding dong, sing along.
Oh, look what I brought to eat. Mmm. Delicious pork rib. All right, let's see what this tastes like. As expected, delicious. Mmm. Ribs. Awesome. Oh, you're probably asking yourself, Jesse, what are you wearing? Are you wearing a bib? Well, actually I did fashion myself, bushcrafted myself, a bib, or as I like to call it, a brib, because I'm eating ribs. Well, a good Monday morning to you from China Lake. Slept really good last night for the most part. Slept warm. However, the wind blew and blew and blew and is still blowing. I was just getting up this morning, looking up under my tarp, and the sunrise is just amazing. It's freaking beautiful. Even Blitz was out there watching the sun come up. Freaking awesome. Not much to do today, just get packed up, eat some breakfast, and head back to civilization. We are packed up and ready to go. The wind is just blowing like crazy, it's relentless. The good news is I actually made a fire pit. I walked around the lake and there was absolutely no camp spots, no fire pit. So now there is one. So if you come up here, you get to use my fire pit. You have my permission. All right, let's get out of here.